Hey guys, we have been in this house for a year. We moved in last spring, and so to celebrate, we are going to redo our bathroom in the basement. And we thought for this week's vlog, since we're not traveling anywhere this week, we would show you what we're doing. I'm going to give you steps of how to paint a room since I am
You're a professional, huh?
I'm very knowledgeable on the subject. The first thing you need to do is grab somebody to help you. So Tyler, thank you for helping me.
I'm being forced.
So our basement area is, your room is galaxy purple. Mm-hmm. Our podcast room is this bright Caribbean blue. And then the workout room down there is...
It's called True Blue.
It is, it's called True Blue. So
we like the paint names.
My second tip is pick a color based on the color name alone. Don't,
Or at least let that be the deciding factor when you can't choose between two colors. Mm-hmm, which one has a cooler name?
Tiebreaker is definitely the color name. I'm thinking since all of the colors we have down there are really bright and vibrant, I want to stick to that theme and make that bathroom a very bright color as well.
Don't the colors mean things like orange means energy?
That's true.
Blue means like
peace,
chill,
calm, serenity.
What are the other ones? Does red mean something?
I think red means hungry.
I always see red.
We're gonna pick out a color. Let's search Benjamin Moore colors. This is my favorite type of paint. This is what we've used for the rest of our house, so I don't know, I'm sticking to it.
Sponsored by Benjamin Moore.
Oh my gosh.
The first thing that came up.
This is perfect. This is a sign.
Caliente. What does that mean? Hot?
Yeah. I don't know. There's something in my heart telling me Caliente is the one. Woo. Hot.
Because of Caliente? Caliente is the color of the year.
It's the color of the year, guys.
Deep poinsettia.
This is perfect.
Should we just go with our gut and go with Caliente?
Tip number 3 is pick out a color immediately and don't think about it.
That's how you decide on bathroom color.
You just pick the
go.
one that comes up first.
Go with your heart, or at least the color of your heart.
Yes.
Caliente. Let's go.
Let's go. Bye.
Look here for some Caliente red paint.
Thanks to Starbucks for making me feel like I can do anything forever.
I'm high on crack.
First impressions of this color are, it kind of looks like we made an animal sacrifice. Or that...
I'm sorry, Fido, but you had to go on my wall. It's sort of like Passover. Like if you're Jewish, back in the day, you had to smear lamb blood around your door to make the plague pass over your home, so your firstborn wasn't taken.
So we should be good, number 1, because we don't have a firstborn.
Right.
Number 2, because we have this red blood to signify to move on.
Right. So any spirits will not be stopping in this bathroom.
I really hope this dries to not look like blood.
This is gonna suck.
We did it! I still have a lot of decorating to do, but it's a lot better than it was. Tyler, are you proud of us?
Yes.
Tyler put in the sink, he put in this light fixture, he put in the blinds. I was your assistant.
It will be forever known as the bloodbath.
I vote that Tyler cleans up all of this stuff. It's a mess. Okay, ready?
2 out of 3.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No!